left hand side is given as by sine of b plus c minus a. Peculiar math. Sine of b plus c minus a, sine of c plus a minus b, sine of a plus b minus c. This is the math, right? Yes, this is the math. Now, what should be written here, you see? Uh, just I'm
Sine of
going,
pi minus twice a.
wait. Just we know a plus b plus c equals to pi. Is it? It is equal to what? Pi. Now, it is here minus a. If I take minus 2a, then we are done. Please try to understand. We are getting the previous one, right? As a result, we can put this value as by pi. Now, the same is to be done for the next two. A plus b plus c minus 2b. Okay. Now, similarly, I am showing it because for the first time, you are seeing this type of math for this. A plus b plus c minus 2c. Okay. Now you see, it is the value of, what is the value of a plus b plus c? It is given pi. So it is pi minus 2a. Okay. Now it is what? Sine pi minus 2b. And it is what? Sine pi minus 2c. Okay. Now we see that it is in the second quadrant, second quadrant, second quadrant. All lie in the second quadrant. Okay. Angle A, angle B, angle C, all of them lie in the second quadrant. Now we see it is sine 2a, sine 2b, it is sine 2c. Now I think all of you can do this math. This type of math was done. Can you remember, please? What is this? Sine c plus sine d. What is the formula? 2 sine c plus d by 2. That means 2a plus 2b by 2. Okay. Can I write here a plus b? Or will you understand? Sine c plus sine d. Sine c plus sine d. 2 sine c plus d by 2. Talk to me.
Yes,
It is
sir.
what? It is what? 2a plus 2b by 2. Now 2 will be omitted. In the same way, it is what? Cosine? Cosine a minus b. And I told you from the very beginning of this exercise that the last one is to be kept as it is. The last one is to be kept as it is. Okay? Perhaps you have recalled your memory. Now, it is what? 2 sine pi minus c, right? Now, the other terms will be kept as it is. Okay. It is also again in the second quadrant. So we can write here 2 sine c cosine a minus b. And now we can put it into formula 2 sine c and cos c. And we again see that these 2 sine c can be taken common. So let us take common 2 sine c. Then we are left with cosine a minus b by cosine c. Now what is to do? You write down 2 sine c, third bracket, cosine a minus b plus cosine second bracket. What is c? C equals to what? Pi minus a plus b. Please try to understand. As we know, a plus b plus c equals to pi. From there, we can find c. Do you understand this part or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Oh
sir.
my, oh my God. That's good. That is twice sine c. Now it can be given second bracket cosine of a minus b. Now you see in which quadrant the angle lies here. Second quadrant.
Yes,
Second
sir.
quadrant cosine is negative. So minus cosine a plus b. Now the formula number 8. Can you please tell me formula number 8? Who can tell
Cos of
me?
a minus b minus cos of a plus b equals to 2 sine a sine b.
2 sine a
Sine
sine
b.
b. I think you have got it, the answer now. 4 sine a sine b sine c. Yes, it is our right hand side. Okay. Now going to question number 6. I think you have copied it, right?
Yes, sir.
Going to question number 6.1. Left hand side as usual, write down. Left hand side is equal to cosine a by sine b sine c. Very good. Cosine a by sine b sine c. So it will be what? Cosine b by sine c sine a. Sine c sine a. So it will be cosine c by, if it is a, it will be sine a sine b. This is the left hand side. And our right hand side is 2. What should we do, dear students? We have to get the LCM. Okay, if I get the LCM, we'll get sine A, sine B, and sine C. Is it?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we see here it is cosine A. Here it is cosine A. Very good. Here what is left? Here it is sine A is left. So it is sine A. Am I right? Here it is cosine B. You write down cosine B. What is left here? Sine B is left. So we must take sine B. For the last part, it is what? Cosine C. So what is left here? What is left here? Let me know. Sine C is left, write down. So we can write here sine C. Now we see it is not in the formula. We don't know any formula regarding this.
To the multiply
Yes,
the
yes.
reciprocal.
Yes, you're right. If I multiply all the terms of numerator and denominator by 2, then yes, we can put it into formula. Like this, 2 sine A cos A, it is 2 sine B cos B, it is 2 sine C cos C. Here, that 2 sine A sine B. Actually, what I have done, I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 2. Very easy and simple. Okay, nothing is hard here. Now, I know that my students can do after that. It is what? Sine 2A. It is what? Sine 2B. It is what? Sine 2C. And it is 2 sine A sine B, and sine C. Now, can you do it, please? Can you remember in the last math? In the last math, we had this math. Can you please see it? All of you.
হ্যাঁ স্যার এটাই ছিল
What is the value of this?
4
Just
sin
let me.
A sin B sin C.
Uh, I want all of you just let me know what was this value, or I will do it again. I will again do it, or you can do it. Yes, you can do it. So what is the value of this? Just let me know. What is the value of this numerator? 4. You know this is also a formula. 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. This is also a formula that can be used also. If you write down using formula, then it's okay. But you will do, or you will show it in the exam hall. It is 2 sin A, sin B, sin C, and it is 2, which is equal to right hand side. Our math is done. Make it easy, make your life easy, okay? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
বুঝেছি।
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to question number 6 too. Quad B plus quad C, left hand side, of course, left hand side. Quad B plus quad C by tan B plus tan C. Tan B plus tan C. Here, quad C plus quad A, quad C plus quad A is equal to quad. Just wait. Tan B plus quad C plus quad A equals to tan C plus tan A. Tan C plus tan A. Then it is again quad A plus quad B, tan A plus tan B. You see, this math can be done in 2 ways. Number 1, you can convert all into sine and cosine. You will get the value. And you will get the previous math. But I am going to do this math in another way. You can, it is cos by sine, cos B by sine B. It is sine B by cos B. Everything will be omitted. Now you just let me know which method you want to follow. Sine or cosine, or in this way.
Sir, sin cosine ছাড়া যেটা ওইটা করা।
Okay, I mean in different way, right? Because you have seen
Yes,
so
sir.
many maths of sine and cosine, right? You have done all the maths regarding sine and cosine. That's good. I have liked it. Okay. So I have to convert all into tangent or all into cotangent. Better to convert all into tangent. So quad B equals to what? Just let me know. 1 by tan B. It is what? 1 by tan C, right? So it is tan B plus it is tan C. Okay. Now you see, it is what? Cot C, that is what? 1 by tan C. It is what? 1 by tan A. And it is tan C plus tan A. Now we are getting here cot A, 1 by tan A plus 1 by tan B by tan A plus tan B. Is it okay? Just to show you the difference, I am giving here a sign so that you can easily get it. Red mark. I mean, this is the sign of fraction. Okay. Just to differentiate. Now, you just let me know what will be the LCM in the numerator. Tan B, tan C, right? And we get here what? Tan C plus tan B. Am I right or not? And in the denominator, we have, it is like that, tan B plus tan C. Please talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
I have given a multiplication sign as well as I have inversed. Now in this way, other two parts are to be done. That means here we are getting as well as LCM tan C tan A, tan C tan A. Here it is tan A plus tan C into in the same way we can write 1 by tan C plus tan A, right? And we are left with the last term. That is, we can also have the LCM tan A, tan B, very easy and simple that you can do. And it is here tan B plus tan A into, it is 1 tan A plus tan B. And we see, dear students, this I am indicating with the first bracket will be omitted. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
And in every term, it will be omitted. This, and you see, this will be omitted. Here, this and this will be omitted, right? So, what we will be left with? Can you please let me know? We will be left with what?
One
You
by
cannot write.
B cot C plus cot A, cot C cot A
1
plus
by
cot A.
tan B, tan C. Then 1 by tan C, tan A. Then 1 by tan A, tan B, right? Okay, yes, it is. I'll complete the math using tan only, no sine cosine. So you can also have the format of sine and cosine from here. You can. So it is tan A, it is tan B, and it is tan C. Okay. So we are getting what? Here it is tan A, here it is tan B, and here it is tan C. Now suppose it is equation 1. Can you remember the left hand side that I started from left hand side? Okay. That left hand side is equal to this, and it is equation 1. Now, actually, what we know, one day I did a math like this. We know from here, it's very simple and easy. You know, A plus B plus C, we must not forget that it is given. But we didn't have any functioning on this part, right? Is it? Yes. So from here, you write down A plus B is equal to pi minus C. From here, you can write down tangent A plus B is equal to tangent pi minus C, right? Now, can you please tell me what is in the left hand side formula? Please tell me. Tan A plus tan B, right? By 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to what? Please let me know. Minus tan C, right? Because it is in the second quadrant. In which quadrant the angle lies? In the second quadrant, pi minus C. Pi minus C. It is in the second quadrant. And we know, say, in the second quadrant, tangent is negative. So from here, we can write down, we multiply it, right? We can multiply. Then we'll be left with tan A plus tan B, write down, or tan A plus tan B is equal to minus tan C, then minus plus tan A tan B tan C, tan A tan B and tan C. Now what should we do? We can put this value, okay? You see, you can take here this plus tan C, you can take in the left hand side, then we are left with tan A tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A tan B and tan C. I'm going to write down again 1 plus, it is cosine B minus A by 4, okay? It is minus cosine, again minus cosine, we can write here what? A plus B plus 2C by 4. Because from here we'll get this minus A plus A will be omitted into 2 sine A plus B by 4. Just please try to understand. Then we can write here, you see, 1 plus. This is 2. I will multiply all by this part. So we'll be left with 2 sine A plus B by 4 into cosine B minus A by 4. Okay? Minus, we'll be left with 2 sine A plus B by 4 A plus B by 4. Okay? Then this cosine A plus B plus 2C by 4. A plus B plus 2C by 4. Actually, what I have done, I have multiplied by 2 sine A plus B by 4. I have multiplied all by 2 sine A plus B by 4. Please try to understand. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Now, what is the formula here? Can you please tell me? 2 sine A, 2 sine, just can you tell me the formula? What is the formula? You cannot write.
Sir, 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos B minus A minus B by 2.
What is the formula? 2 sine A cos B? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Or is there any formula? 2 sine, suppose A plus B cos A minus B. Is there any formula? Just talk to me. Is there any formula? No, we
No,
don't
sir.
have any formula. Right. So what is the formula? 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B. It is the formula number 5. Can you tell me please? 2 sine A cos B, formula number 5.
Sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B.
Sine of A plus B. Sine of A plus B. This plus this. Then what will be? We'll get A will be omitted. Right? B plus B, 2B, 2B by 4. That is, we can write here B by 2. Please talk to me. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ji sir.
So then again formula. 2 sine A cos B equals to, again, sine A plus B by B. What you told? Sine A plus B. Then
Plus
Then
sine
what?
A by 2.
sine,
A minus B by 2.
very good. A minus B. What is A? This is A minus B. Then what will be the calculation? If it
A
is
by 2.
subtracted, you see, it will be minus, it is plus. So BB will be omitted. So we will be left with A by 2,
Or A by 2.
right? Now just let me know the last part. What will be? What can be written? 2 sin A cos B. You please try to understand. This whole part will be considered as A. This is A. And this whole part will be considered as by B. Now please let me know the formula. 2 sin A cos B again. It is minus. Okay, 2 sin A cos B. What is the formula? Same formula. Is it? So sine of A plus B. What will be the result? A plus B. If we add, what will be the result?
So A plus B plus C by 2. মানে pi by 2.
Very good, very good, very good. A plus B plus C by 2. If we go for adding this plus this, we'll get A plus A to A. We'll get B plus B to B. We'll get plus 2C. So in the numerator, we are getting 2A, 2B, 2C. And in the denominator, it is 4. Now, if we calculate, we'll get this. Then it is what? Again sign. So this is minus, so it will be negative. Am I right? In the formula, we have plus, right? 2 sin A cos B. As it is minus here, so at a time, I am giving minus sign. Then please tell me what will be? Who can tell me?
C by
minus
2.
2C by 2. So minus C by 2.
Minus by 2.
Wow, that's great. Minus C by 2. So we are getting here 1 plus sin B by 2 sin A by 2 minus, can you tell me, equals to what? Sin, it is equals to what? Pi by 2. Now,
Yes, sir.
sine of minus theta equals to minus theta. So it is sin C by 2. Talk to me, please. What will be its value? 1? Is it? It is 1?
Yes, sir.
Then sin A by 2, sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2. I am not going to write this is minus 1 and this is plus 1, which will be omitted, equals to left hand side. So our math is done. Now, all of you are required to go to the most important math, or 7.2. You will do it at home as homework. Question number 7.2. It was given in your messenger group. Will I write it or you will get it from there?
স্যার
Same math.
লেখা লাগবে না, থাক।
Okay, homework 7.2. But I am going to the most important math, that is question number 8. All of you please pay attention. Up to this, we got A plus B plus C as by pi. Now from onward, we have value A plus B plus C equals to pi by 2. Okay? From now onward, all the maths will be done of this. Question number 8. Question number 8.1. Left hand side. Tan B, tan C, you can do it. Equals to tan B, tan C, you can do it. Plus tan C, tan A, plus tan A, tan B. This is the left hand side. Tan A, tan B. Right hand side equals to 1. Now, this math was done minimum 3 or 4 times. Can you do it? Or I will do. This math was done. If I start, you will tell, yes, sir, it was done 3 times. Okay. What is given? A plus B plus C equals to pi by 2. From here, you write down A plus B. Now, can you remember that it was done? Is it? Now, we take tan. Tan of A plus B equals to what?
স্যার পাই বাই 2 হবে, পাই বাই সি না।
Pi by. Now, equals to what? Tan pi by 2 minus c. Now do it. Now can you do? It is what?
হ্যাঁ স্যার শেষ আমার
Just all of you do it. Tan A, then tan B. You don't know the formula still. 1 minus tan A. Can you remember I did this math? Tan B. Now just let me know.
Yes, sir.
It is in the first quadrant, so all are positive. 1 pi by 2, so tangent will be cotangent. So it will be cot C. Now, what is cot C? Can you tell me please what is cot C? Cot C equals to
1
what?
by 10 c.
Yes, you're right. Tan A plus tan B. Do you practice math at home? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Ji sir.
After my 2 classes, I will take an exam. It is 1 by tan C. Now please multiply it, you will get the result. Is it?
Yes, sir.
That means if we multiply, we are going to get tan C tan A plus tan B tan C is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. After that, this line, right? This can be taken to the left hand side. So question number 8.2, you will do the math in the same way. Question number 8.2, it is also homework, same thing. I also did it 8.2. Now, it is bogus math. Number 9, you write down. Question number 9 on, it will be given in the exam. Question number 9 on, it will be given in the exam. Question number 9 on, it will be given in the exam. What is meant by this? You have to pay 100% attention here. Question number 9 on. Sin square A plus sin square B, left hand side, very, very hard. You please try to understand. Left hand side equals to sin square A, sin square B, sin square C. Okay, plus 2 sin A, sin B, sin C is equal to 1.
আচ্ছা
Your
স্যার এটা
right
আমরা
hand
করেছিলাম মানে হচ্ছে
না,
শুধু 2 sin A sin B sin C ছিল রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে
right hand side it was 1 minus 2 sin A
হ্যাঁ
sin B
সেটাই
sin C, but
ওইটাই তো।
the math was given on the basis of A
ও
plus
হ্যাঁ
B
A
plus
plus
C
B
equals to pi. Now it is pi by 2. So there will be huge sense. You understand? All formula will be changed now. So we start, right?
Ji sir.
Now what you are eating? What can be written? Can you remember please? Half into 2 sin square A plus half into 2 sin square B. Now, as I told you that this will be kept as it is. I told you again and again, right? Can you remember? So it is to be kept as it is. And actually in this math, we will not have any functioning on this part. We will not have any kind of functioning. So it will also be kept as it is. 2 sin A, sin B, sin C. Now, formula, let me know. 2 sin square A, 1 minus cos 2A. Am I right or not?
Ji sir.
It is what? Half into 1 minus cos 2B Now you also keep it as it is, sinus cos C. And we are getting this part will be kept as it is. As I told you, we won't have any functioning. And always we are getting this type of math where I am telling it again and again, half into one half, half into one half. These two halves make one, right? And minus half has been taken common. So we are left with what? Cosine 2a. And minus has been taken common, so it will be plus cosine 2b. Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is our next functioning? It will be kept as it is. Sinus cos C. Then to sin A, sin B, sin C. To sin A, sin B. It will be written as it is. Now, dear students, what is the formula? Cos C plus cos D. To cos
2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2.
C plus D by 2. At a time I have written. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Then
Cos C
cos
minus D by 2.
C minus D by 2. 2A minus 2B by 2. Okay, you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Then this is sinus cos C. And the last term is to be written. You know what other people do? They do this part only. We get from this. They do only this part. Yes, they have the facilities that they are not compelled to write down this part again and again. You understand? So in the answer, they will get this. So they write again, so this and this equal to this and this. I mean, vice versa, left hand side, right hand side, they just reshuffle it. Anyway, but you may not get full marks there. The math is given in this way, so you have to do this in this way. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is 1, 2 will be omitted. So it is minus cosine. What is the value here? Let me know. Pi, right? No, it is pi by 2. Okay? Cos A minus B. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Then it is again sinus cos C. Then we are getting the last term as it is to sin A, sin B, and sin C. Can you tell me please what will be here? Oh, do I have to give the side note here? A
No,
plus B
sir.
plus C equals to pi by 2. So A plus B equals to pi by 2 minus C. I'm writing here A plus B plus C equals to pi by 2. So we are getting the value of A plus B as by pi by 2 minus C. Okay, now we are getting here 1 minus, can you tell me please? Sin C.
Yes, sir.
Cosine A minus B. You see, we have got again sinus cos C. That is given so that we can take sin C common. So you know why I did not get any functioning on this sinus cos C? Perhaps you have now come to know. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, we are going to maintain the formalities of writing the same thing again and again. we don't have any other option left, but we have to write. Now what should we do? 1 minus sine c can be taken common, right? So we are left with cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b plus sine c.
So minus sine c.
Oh yes, always minus sine c, right? This minus and this minus will make plus. Now we are getting here 2 sine a, sine b, and sine c. Okay. Now we see 1 minus sine c. Now what should we write? Third bracket, cosine a minus b minus sine.
Pi by
What
2
can?
minus a plus b.
Oh my God. Pi by 2 minus a plus b, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Everything is done. Is it? Now it is 2 sine a, sine b, and sine c. Now you see, this is 1 minus sine c. This is second bracket, cosine of a minus b. In which quadrant it lies? In the first quadrant. So we will not have any functioning of plus or minus, as all are positive. Plus minus, it is minus 1 pi by 2. This one is odd number. So sine will be cosine. So it is cosine a plus b. Then plus 2 sine a, sine b, sine c. Now again, formula number 8 that I told you when I just tried my level best to make you understand the formula, that this formula will suffer in your life. Can you remember? 1 minus sine c into, what is the
2
formula here?
sine a sine
2
b.
sine a sine b.
Very good. 2 sine a sine b, formula number 8, plus 2 sine a sine b sine c. 2 sine a sine b sine c. Now actually what is happening here? You see, these and these are same, right? So those will be cancelled, and we'll be left with 1, which is equal to right hand side. Is it? These and these are same. So those two will be omitted. The most important math, and you did it now. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now the way you are telling me, okay, perhaps you don't want to do.
স্যার আগের মতোই তো ছিল, শুধু ওই 2 ইনটু sin a sin b sin c টা আর কি add হবে।
Yes, you're right. You are right. Next day, the last chapter of trigonometry. Okay. We have to do a lot of maths from there. Last chapter, okay? Really. So
Sir,
we'll have fun on 7Z, that is 7.7 exercise. Okay. After that, I will start calculus. Now, you can do some maths, question number 9-2 at home, or you can do it here as you like best. Question number 9-2. You see the interesting math. Sin A, sin B, sin C. Sin A, sin B, sin C. Okay, is equal to 1 plus 4 sin pi minus A by 4, pi minus A by 4, sin pi minus B by 4, and sin pi minus C by 4. It is really very, very easy. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, it is 2A, all are 2A, 2A, 2B, 2C. Okay, now what will you do, you know? You just do it as it is, then you will get the math. Sin C plus sin D. Okay. If you cannot do, just let me know, or you can do the math from here. You can also get it. So better to practice, because I did the same math regarding this, taking
স্যার
right hand
মিন
side.
টাইপের ম্যাথ করান, এটা করে নিব না।
Okay, that's good. Now go to question number 10.1.
স্যার তাহলে এটাও হোমওয়ার্কের পার্ট?
Of course. Question number 10.1. Actually, I am going to do only 2 maths from this exercise. Question number 10.1, you see. Question number 10.1. A plus B is given as by C. What is meant by this? At first, you please let me know. A plus B equals to C. What is meant by this?
So
Who
right
can
angle
tell me?
triangle.
Yes, Shondit, you are absolutely right. Okay, A plus B equals to C. Our left hand side is, you see, what is our left hand side? Is important math. Left hand side, cos square A, cos square B, cos square C. Cos square A, cos square B, and cos square C. Okay, do it. Don't take time. Half into 2 cos square A, half into 2 cos square B. Can you remember that the last term I am always keeping it as it is? Half, what is the formula? 2 cos square A, what is the formula? 1 plus, let me know.
1 plus cos 2a.
1 plus cos 2A. Then it is again 1 plus cos 2B. Again it is cos square C. Half equals to what? 1. Half cos 2A cos 2B plus cos square C. Is it? 1 plus half, what is the formula? Let me know. Cos C plus cos D. 2 cos,
A plus B.
then cos A minus
minus
B. Acha, there is no one except Shondit and Zumaina.
স্যার আমি জুমায়না না।
Who are you?
স্যার আপনি সবাইকে জুমায়না বানায় দেয় কিন্তু কেন বুঝি না।
Okay, sorry. So who is talking to me?
গেস করেন।
Guessing. Luaba? No.
ভুল।
Pratasha? No. Is it?
স্যার নাজিবা কথা বলছে।
Naziba. Oh, yes, Naziba. Luaba has not talked yet. Luaba, are you there?
জি স্যার আছি।
Okay, for the first time you're talking to me? Okay, 2 will be omitted. So we'll be left with cosine. It is what? What is the value of A plus B? Just let me know.
So C.
Yes, you're right now. The value of A plus B is C. Okay. Now you see cosine A minus B, cosine A minus B plus cos square C. Of course, we must have here the justification, that is A plus B is equal to C as given. Now you see what we do in our math. We are always getting this very interesting fact, right? Really, it is really an interesting fact, right? What we do and what is given, we will not care, but we'll always get this to take common. Have you seen that in my all previous maths we got it? Okay,
Yes, sir.
cosine C, cosine of A minus B, then it is what?
cos
Cosine
A plus B.
স্যার এটাকে a প্লাস বি একবার লিখলেই তো হয়, একই তো জিনিস।
Do online more. Cosine C, cosine A minus B, cosine A plus B. What I am going to write down here? Here we have put C equals to A plus B. Okay. Now what is the formula? Let me know.
2 cos A cos B.
cos A cos B.
2 cos A cos B. So we have got the right hand side. Yes, it is the right hand side. 1 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C, which is equal to, the math was really interesting, right? Okay. Now do you have time just to do only one math?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just only one math. Sorry, I am taking your time. 10 to, it is given A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Now left hand side is equal to what? A plus B, sorry, I'm cos A cos B cos C, cos A cos B and cos C. Do it. What should be done? Just normal, nothing about thinking. Cos C plus cos D. Let me know. 2 cos. What is this?
C by, yes, sir.
Then cosine.
A minus B by 2.
Then just talk to me, all of you.
জি স্যার।
Now 2 cosine. What is the value of A plus B by 2?
মাইনাস c
Minus
বাই
C,
2। Oh, no,
Minus C. No, you're right. Minus.
C by 2.
c বাই 2, হ্যাঁ মাইনাস c বাই 2।
শুধু C
Okay.
by 2 লেখা যায়।
Okay. Yes. Afterwards, you see A plus B equals to minus C. Then A plus B by 2 equals to minus C by 2.
এটাই তো বললাম।
Next line will again convert it. Cosine A minus B by 2. Now you see, you have to give here side note, or you understand or not? Okay. Now,
বুঝেছি স্যার, লাগবে না।
okay. Cos of minus 3 equals to what? Cos theta. So we can write here 2 cosine C by 2 cosine A minus B by 2 plus cos C.
cos
Okay.
C কে ইয়েতে C by 2 তে নিব না?
Just wait. Now, what I told you, you have to give emphasis here. Okay. Cos C by 2. Now, cos theta. What is the formula of cos theta regarding cos? Cos theta equals to what? Just let me know. We know that 1 plus cos theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta by 2. Talk to me.
জি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Then cos theta equals to what? 2 cos square theta by 2 minus
1
1. So what should we do? We must put here this formula just to take this common. So you have to write here, write down 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. So that we can take common here. 2 cos C by 2 can be now taken common, right? Very good. 2 cos C by 2 has now been taken common. Okay. And we are getting here cosine A minus B by 2 plus only cos C by 2 here. Then it is minus 1. Now what should we do?
স্যার C by 2 কে minus C by 2 বলা যায়, তাই এটা হচ্ছে cos of A plus B by 2.
Okay, that's good. So now we are going to write down 2 cosine C by 2. Okay, third bracket. Okay, just I am giving third bracket. Cosine A minus B by 2, that's done. This is plus. Now C by 2, A plus B plus C is equal to 0. C equal to what? Let me know. Minus A plus B. Then C by 2 equals to what? Minus A plus B by 2. Right? So we can write down here cosine, okay, first bracket minus A plus B by 2. Just try to understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you again see 2 cosine C by 2 cosine A minus B by 2 cos of minus theta equals to plus cos theta. Cos A plus B by 2. We are done. Oh my god, there is minus 1. Can you remember? There is minus 1. You have not told me. Okay, now you just let me know 2 cosine C by 2. What is the formula?
Sir, 2 cos A by 2 into cos B
Actually,
by 2.
you know what was what was here? It was like this: A by 2
So partial
minus
fraction.
B by 2, cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. Actually, the math is like this.
So 7
Okay.
number formula.
Yes. Now just let me know 2 cosine what? A by
A
2,
by 2.
B by 2. Is it minus 1? Then we are getting 4 cosine A by 2 cosine B by 2 cosine C by 2 minus 1. And yes, it is our right hand side. No more today. Thank you very much. Next day, we will start a new math, new chapter, and very, very interesting. Best of luck. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Bye, sir.
Bye.